We're going to learn how to download a Twitch banner in this tutorial. The Twitch banner I'm referring to is the one that you see up here. Special thanks to Tony for allowing me to use his Twitch profile as a demonstration. Check out his Twitch at twitch.tv/literallytony. The traditional right-click save image as doesn't work because the option's not there. But if we look down a tiny bit, we see something called inspect, and that will do the trick. So what you want to do is find a space like right here, right-click, inspect. The right column that you're seeing here is the inspector, which shows the elements behind the page. We chose to right-click somewhere here, and this is the corresponding code. If we go up a tiny bit, you will see a section that's called background image. Also notice that when I highlight this code, it's going to highlight the corresponding part of the page. So that's really helpful in determining whether we are looking at the right code. Now if I click on it, this URL right after background image is the one that we need. So what we're going to do is going to look down here because it already has the image linked for you. So hover over it and then hover over the window that popped up because this is clickable. So click on that and voila, now you have the image. Now we can right click and save image as. Check out the playlist in the description for additional Twitch related videos. Hope this helps. Bye!